compliance is paramount.
Right.
Right. Our customers give us trust in
Yep.
their data.
Yep.
And so it's really on us to maintain that trust
Yep.
and maintain privacy through our compliance systems and the usage of that. And so we have a VP of compliance at Lattice, and we take it very seriously.
Right.
And that the individual is actually part of the early on discussions as we rolled out Credal.
Right.
We were very intentional about using models that weren't trained on the data that we put through it. We were very intentional about what attributes of the data that we're using we would actually flow into some of these co-pilots.
Right.
But overall, we had that approach before AI and before LLMs, which actually benefited us even more. We kind of had this segregation around sensitive data already in place.
Really cool.
So that when we rolled out Credal, it was really just maintaining that same perimeter and framework, and then just scaling that over to Credal as well.
Really cool.
But yeah, to answer your question kind of plainly, it's really focusing on the compliance. It's having a specific subject matter expert in your organization that's owning that and is leading that. And it's so important. I think this idea of move fast and break things, right?
Right.
Yeah, maybe as a startup, but once you start working at an enterprise scale or you're in HIPAA kind of regulated industries, you don't want to move fast and break things. You want to kind of move fast, ensure privacy, and scale.
Right.
And so that's really been a focus for Lattice early on since kind of its inception. And we've really carried that through our adoption of Credal. And then kind of the cherry on top that Credal had is you have some kind of limited DLP functionality where you can identify various internal or sensitive information through your platform and just stop that from going anywhere. And so we do leverage that, the defaults in place, which I think cut down on specific PII. If someone was to maybe, let's say, drop their social security number there or something like that, we do have those protections in place as a default, just to protect folks as well.